What you cooking there, my friend? You got a duck?
Duck, sir.
All right, man. It looks delicious. I thought that was a chicken. I said, no, you got a duck over there. All right, so I got to go to La Grande. Let's get a tune out of this trombone. All right, folks. I'm walking down Mayan Street. If I said that right. I'm gonna come up here to the road that basically cuts by the Petron station. What is it, Malabañas Road, whatever you call it. I think it's gonna start raining on me too. So I just heard a story from a young lady that pissed me the hell off. So I thought I would share it with you, sort of a public service message, sort of just to kind of vent. Anyhow, this happened on Thursday. And folks, it has to do with you know, petty theft. I've lived up here for a long time. Other than those chicks stealing my ring, which I did that to myself. That's another story. Watch the video. I've never had anything stolen from me while I've been walking around. Now, I did get flash mobbed down in Cebu one time. That's another story too. Doc Wayne lost a brand new Samsung phone. But living over here for 10 years, folks, I really haven't had anything happen to me, right? Anything significant. So, hello. Little Karen Daria here. Anywhere you go in the world, there's crime. So I'll agree on that, right? Anywhere you go, rich, poor, any place you go to, there's crime. There's gonna be criminal element. If you go to certain areas in pick an American city, downtown Atlanta at 2 a.m., you're gonna get robbed. That's just the way it is, right? Okay, but this young lady, 2 p.m. in the afternoon, around 2 p.m. last Thursday, 2 days ago, she was driving her 3-wheel cart, which sort of looks like this. Now that's not hers, but she's got a little 3-wheel cart. It sort of looks like that right there. Okay, I'm gonna recreate the crime. I don't know exactly where she was at. She was somewhere in the vicinity of this Petron station. I think what happened, she was coming up the main drag here, and then she cut down this road right here, going by the Petron. And somewhere in this vicinity, somewhere between here and the Petron, or past the Petron, wherever, now she's got a little bag. Damn, it's coming monsoon. All right, now she's got a little bag on her shoulder, just a little tiny shoulder bag. And she's got it over her shoulder, riding that little electric trike, doing, you know what, 4 miles an hour, however fast it goes. Two assholes, two kuyas, pull up on a black motorbike with no license plate. They're not wearing any helmets. They're just had face masks on, so you know, don't know who they are. Didn't get a good look at them. And the asshole on the bag reaches over and snatches her bag off her shoulder, scares the shit out of her. And she said they were laughing. They just fucking laughed, you know, and stole her bag. Now all she had in the little bag was like 2,000 pesos, like 40 US bucks. But she had all her fucking IDs in there. So she lost all of her fucking IDs. She had just got the IDs, brand new. And fuck, I'm under a tree. Anyhow, so somewhere in here, she said it was down or this way or that way from the Petron, so the dudes at the Petron couldn't see. I'm assuming it was right in here. I don't know. It could have been one of these little side streets, a little bit off. I don't know. It's somewhere in this vicinity is where it happened. And there you go. Two shitheads, black motorbike, no license plate, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Fucking shitheads snatched this poor girl's purse. And again, it's not about the fucking money. It's the fact It's the fact that the assholes got her ID cards. Now she gotta go through all this fucking hassle again to get her ID card back, like her postal ID, her I don't know, BIR. She had like 3 or 4 IDs in there, and they snatched it from her. 2 p.m. so broad daylight, just like I'm walking around right now. Again, I'm not saying it's an indicator of anything or you shouldn't come here. It's just a fucking reminder that, hey, anywhere in the world there's a criminal element. At any chance you are subject to being you know, victim of a little non-violent crime like that. Now, it scared the shit out of her. She said she screamed at him, you know, hollered at him, but what can she do? A little 3-wheel trike, lone female. She just made the perfect target. They snatched her little bag. Now, did they follow her from somewhere? I don't know. Or did they just see her coming by? I don't know. But you know, now she's scared to drive her little 3-wheel car around again. Wasn't like it was 2 a.m. It was 2 p.m. So a big fuck you goes out to them 2 fucking shithead kuyas. You sorry mother, unfucking believable. So anyhow, I just figured I'd make you aware of that. You know, times have been hard over here for a couple years, like they have everywhere on the fucking globe. And I'm not saying that as it has a factor. Maybe these guys are always shitheads. But there you go. If you're walking around anywhere in the world, pay attention to your surroundings and carry your bag not on this side. If you got a shoulder bag, carry it on this side so they just can't come up and snatch it. B, you know, little 3-wheel trikes got storage under the seat. Pretty simple. Put the shit under the seat where they can't see it, they can't grab it. Don't mean they can't knock your ass off and take the whole trike. Got it. But mostly around here, mostly in Southeast Asia, it's just non-violent stuff. It's just snatching stuff like that, or stealing shit out of your hotel room. A lot more violent crime in America, trust me. So I'm not saying this place is unsafe. People ask me all the time, is the Philippines safe? Yep, absolutely. A lot safer than America. You don't need to carry a gun here. However, if you make it, hey gentlemen, how you doing? All right. If you make it easy for 2 shitheads anywhere in the world to snatch your bag, they're gonna do it because they're shitheads. You know what? I'll put a link to the video, a link in the description to the pants that I wear. These pants by Columbia, they got this little zippered pocket behind the main pocket. And they're not even security pants, it's just the way they're designed. But I've been wearing these pants for a long time. And I ain't never got nothing stolen out of that zippered pocket behind the main pocket. It's like a fucking vault. Little simple things like that. You know, and like she said, you know, thank God that they didn't have a knife or anything like that. It wasn't anything. It was just a crime of opportunity. I think just 2 shitheads came by. I said, hey man, let me grab that girl's bag. Shoop, and they were laughing and gone. But now they've caused her a lot of trouble to get those IDs back. She's scared. You know, just fucking shitheads that need to be dealt with by the justice system. If you follow me on that one. Damn, lightning. Hello, hello. I'm walking under these mango trees and I'm barely getting wet. It don't matter because I'm shooting on the GoPro. Here's another look at this. Ain't nobody snatching that car. Ain't nobody gonna snatch that car. Drive by and snatch it. Grab a hold of that barbed wire, cut your fingers off. Oh yeah, it's starting to open up now. You know what though, folks? It's been so damn hot. I welcome this to cool everything off. Cool everything off a bit, cool off these high tin roofs. Wash down the dust, the dirt, the scum on the streets. we really needed this rain. Only thing about it, it just knocked me out from my original plan of taking my babies over to the park. Unless it clears up. Anyhow, this is a big rambling video. But basically, when you're walking around anywhere, don't make it easy for these shitheads. It's like, don't put your bag underneath the seat of that thing, or just put your money in your pocket, or don't carry your IDs around. Why you need all your IDs? What's up, buddy? How you doing? All right. You know, you don't need to carry all of my IDs around. So let me talk about that. I got a lot of buddies around here, older guys, mid-60s on up. What do y'all do? Same shit you've been doing. Hold on. You do the same shit you've been doing since you were a teenager. You carry around this big fucking leather wallet about that thick with every ID card that you own, all your credit cards, certified copy of your fucking birth certificate, you know, 20,000 pesos. That thing is so fat that it won't even fold. And you go to sit down, you're all fucking gimped up like this in the bar. You can't even sit straight because you got that like a softball in one of your back pockets fucking you up, right? Stop doing that shit. You're just making yourself out to be a target. And if somebody steals that wallet, do you know how many fucking phone calls you're making to credit card companies and fucking identity theft and everything else in the fucking world? My God, why do you need to keep doing that? Holy shit, I'm getting pissed on now. We're gonna see if this GoPro is truly sealed. So anyhow, stop doing that. Leave that fucking wallet at home. Leave it in the hotel safe. When you roll out to these fucking bars here, furthermore, any bar, all you need to take is cash and one credit card. And let me back that up and say, don't even take the fucking credit card. All right, when I roll out and party, I take cash. That's it. Just cash. That's it. I run out of money, I'm forced to go home. Somebody wants to rob me in the middle of the night, you can have all that cash. Take my belt, my shoes, you know, take my clothes. I'll walk my naked ass all the way back to the hotel and laugh because you didn't get nothing from me. You didn't cause me no problem. What's up, man? You didn't cause me no problem. But you get my ID, I mean the credit card, that's one call and you shut it down. But still, why take the chance? When you roll out the party here, I want you to roll out with nothing but cash in your pocket. Don't even take the hotel key. Leave that shit at the front desk. Take cash and a business card from the hotel so that, shit. Let me get up under here. Fucking monsoon. Still got a bunch of money in my pocket too. I may have to step it up, get a little airborne shuffle to get out of this mess. Yeah, I forgot what I was talking about. Drive forward. Fuck it. You know, leave your hotel key. The only thing you need is a card from the hotel. Look at the fucking blue suede shoes. Shredding this shit. See, the dry as a goddamn bone. Dry as a bone. Look at that. Those shoes right there, folks. On time. Look at that. Anyhow, take a card to the hotel in case you pass out or you get too drunk. People go through your pockets. Oh shit, the dude's staying at the ABC hotel. They'll get you back over there. You don't need a key. You don't need credit cards. That's all you need. Boom! Deep dive on the blue suede shoes. What's up, fellas? How we doing? Hey, good. All right. There you go, folks. Bringing you breaking weather report here. I tell you, I'm dedicated to providing 100% pure entertainment for you, sitting over there in your living room. Hey, when I was a kid, I'd be out playing in this rain too. I just gotta get this wallet inside and make sure all my money inside. And, oh no! Getting deep. Let's clip it out. If it ain't raining, you ain't training. Oh Lord.
Come on, I get you forward.
Doing shit like that make you feel alive, but now I gotta check my money. Oh Lord, please. Look at that. Dry as a bone. Dry as a dog's bone. Right there. See that security pocket? Get your regular pocket here with the phone. Okay? But you put all your valuables back here. Little hidden zipper pocket. Ain't nobody gonna steal that shit. Nobody. Like a vault. I got some bad news, baby. I don't think we can go to the park.
Of course we cannot.
Thank you, baby. Folks, I'm about to get naked. I got to get out of these wet clothes and go and get naked. Y'all want to join me? All right, hell, let's do it.
Go get my broom too.
Man, I'm gonna warm up a little bit before I take a shower. I want to say thanks for joining me on today's video. I certainly appreciate it. Appreciate y'all being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand corner of your screen, somewhere down there, I want you to hit that overstate road sign. Get on board my train.